My research looks at how concussion affects brain function across the lifespan. There's an ever-growing concern about the long-term impact and effect that concussion and participation in contact sports have on the brain functions of not only professional athletes but people who play the game in the community.
The research in USW has actually expanded our knowledge in terms of the pathophysiology, what happens once you've had these cumulative impacts. So USW's work is going to be very important to drive all the other research projects that are currently going on.
One of the key things about our research, it was the first to identify that there are blood-based changes that occur as a result of these repetitive impacts across the lifespans of these individuals that go on to have a negative effect in the way that blood flow is sent to the brains. That increases their susceptibility to neurodegenerative disease. That's the kind of major thing that our research identified. However, the impact that has on the individual is that they are able to seek support, advice and guidance on how to make changes to either their lifestyle or seek the support that they need.
Previous to Tom's research, the answer to anything to do with concussion was a bucket of cold water and a sponge. We want the game of rugby football to continue, and any help we can have to improve the safety and welfare of players, the better the game will be.
This research isn't limited to sport. The research and the biomarkers that we've investigated are applicable to several diseases and conditions like Alzheimer's and dementia. Early diagnosis of these particular conditions are important to enable the individual to make sufficient arrangements and get the care that they need.